Cooking oils and fats are essential in the kitchen. They add flavor and texture to our food, but not all oils are created equal. Some oils are healthier than others. Choosing the right oils can impact your health. Using healthy oils can reduce the risk of heart disease. They can also help control cholesterol levels. Healthy oils provide essential fatty acids. Our bodies need these for various functions. Choosing the right cooking oil is an important decision. It's not just about enhancing flavor, it's about nourishing your body. Making informed choices about cooking oils can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Let's delve into some of the healthiest cooking oils available. Each oil has unique properties and benefits. Understanding these differences can help you make informed choices. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart-healthy and can lower bad cholesterol. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed form. It retains more antioxidants, which are beneficial for the body. Avocado oil comes from pressed avocados. Like olive oil, it's high in monounsaturated fats. It also contains vitamin E, an antioxidant. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high-heat cooking. Coconut oil has gained popularity in recent years. It's solid at room temperature but melts when heated. Coconut oil is unique because it's rich in saturated fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. MCTs are easily digested and can provide quick energy. Each healthy cooking oil offers various health benefits. Understanding these benefits can guide your choices in the kitchen. Olive oil and avocado oil are champions for heart health. Their high monounsaturated fat content helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind. This balance is crucial in preventing heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil in particular is rich in antioxidants. These compounds protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals contribute to aging and various diseases. Some studies suggest that the MCTs in coconut oil may benefit brain function. They can provide an alternative energy source for the brain, potentially supporting cognitive health. Section 4. Integrating healthy oils into your culinary routine. Incorporating healthy oils into your daily cooking is easier than you might think. Olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil for drizzling over salads, pasta, and vegetables. It adds a distinct flavor and aroma. Use regular olive oil for sautéing, baking, and grilling at moderate temperatures. Avocado oil. Thanks to its high smoke point, avocado oil is excellent for high-heat cooking methods like stir-frying, searing, and baking. It's also great for marinades and dressings. Coconut oil. Coconut oil adds a subtle sweetness to dishes. Use it for baking, stir-frying, and roasting vegetables. It can also be added to smoothies or used as a butter substitute. Section 5. Making smart choices. Selecting the right oil for your cooking needs. Choosing the right oil depends on the cooking method and the desired flavor profile. High-heat cooking. For high temperatures, avocado oil and refined coconut oil are good choices. They have high smoke points and won't break down easily. Salads and dips. Extra virgin olive oil is perfect for drizzling over salads and dips. Its robust flavor enhances the taste. Baking. Use coconut oil for a subtle sweetness in baked goods. Olive oil works well in savory baking recipes. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what you like best. Section 6. Healthy cooking oils. Your path to flavor and well-being. Choosing the right cooking oils is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. By incorporating olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil into your culinary routine, you can enhance the flavor of your meals while reaping numerous health benefits. Remember to select oils suitable for different cooking methods and experiment to discover your preferences. Embrace the world of healthy cooking oils and embark on a journey towards a tastier and more wholesome life.